Here we go again, y'all. This time, I have a truck for Misfire. Got a GM truck that came into the school for Misfire. Okay, the first thing we did is put the truck in the oscilloscope and try to find the misfiring cylinder. At the bottom of the screen, I got the firing order, 184-36572. At first, like number 5 was having a problem. Number 5 is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 6th one from the left. You can see that wire shooting up. That is breaking down intermittently. And remember, you're looking at an oscilloscope, you're looking for something out of the norm. For example, 5 cylinders could be doing the same thing, and one may not, and one may be doing something different. That cylinder may have a problem. So based on the oscilloscope, you're looking for something out of the normal.
Sometimes you got to put a load on it. I'm going to stick it in drive and see if it's a breakdown, okay? Now here's the firing order right here. Look, right here, it's a firing order, 184-36572. That's the cylinder. We're on number 1. So if it breaks down, at least we know what cylinder it is.
Oh, that's awesome right there. 184-365.
Well, awesome.
So check out number 5. It started shooting up once in a while by itself. It's shooting higher than the rest of them. Again, on the oscilloscope, looking for something out of the norm compared to the other cylinders. Sorry about the shaking camera. My student can't hold the camera still. You need to get a tripod one day. See, look at number 5. See that line going straight up? Look how high it's going compared to everybody else. Look at the spike, how it's going a little higher than anybody else. The other 5 cylinders. I say everybody else, I mean the other 5 cylinders. Right now I'm in the car under the hood. I'm just revving the engine. I think I might have this car in drive, holding the brake and power and giving the gas at the same time. No, I guess not since I'm out there talking. But anyway, I'm trying to put the car under a load and try watching wire or plug break down.
You can feel it now. I'm going to try it here to see anything different. As they recording? Yeah.
What are we looking for? For it not to climb?
That either it's higher than, whatever, or lower than that. Right now when he steps on it, you see it.
I look at number 6 and number 3. You saw it breaking down? Number 3, number 6. I initially thought number 3 had the biggest problem. As you can see later, it's not just number 3. But look at it, number 3 and number 6. Look how they look different from the rest of the cylinders. You see that? Especially number 3. Either wire or plug is breaking down. Either wire is arcing or the plug is breaking down. And he just pointed to it. And number 6 has a problem also. But it doesn't show as bad as number 3 on this particular piece of equipment.
Watch this too. 1843. See that? You see it? And look at this one. Look at this here. You see this too? But this is the worst right here.
Okay, that's the third one?
1843. See, 18436572. But 3 have the misfire. You see that? That's a misfire. That's a hell of a misfire.
How would you explain 6?
Look at that. I see on a raster here too. Can't really see that much.
Wow. That's 3, right?
Yeah, see it? It's breaking down badly right here. This one kind of bad too. See that slope right there?
That's in 3, 6.
Yeah, 3 and 6 are breaking down bad.
Considered misfire?
Yeah, it's misfire. Alright. Alright. That's it. So, it ain't a wire, so it's probably a plug to take out and look at it.
Well, I stand corrected. It could be a wire arcing.
Okay, we're going to put it on a scan tool and look at it that way. Alright, turn Alright,
Now we got a scan tool, since the OB2 vehicle, to check with someone's misfire according to the computer. Remember, the crank sensor is used by the PCM to detect a misfire. If I look at the scan tool, we can see which one's misfiring also. Now, this is not 100% accurate, but it helps. I look at number 6. You think that number 6 has a misfire? Well, watch what happens later.
Misfire current right here. That's the current misfire, right? What's happening right now? See, it's 0. That wasn't misfire a second ago. Now, then it came up and went away. It should have history. Go down so you can see a history misfire. See, that don't show history.
Oh, you step on it again.
I'm doing that in a second.
Look, number
It's
6.
right here and then
Number
go down
5
now.
also misfiring.
Alright, so now we can start right there. It ain't showing history. So right now I got current, 1, 2, I want to make a misfire.
Yeah, 6 is
Here's
way
the
up.
thing. Here's the thing. The machine only shows. No, it did show 6. There's 1, 8, 4.
Now look at number 6. Initially, I thought it was number 3 according to a oscilloscope, but it's like number 6 has is the worst.
So the worst. Right? And number 6 has that little slant to it. Right? And number 3 is showing more on that scope.
Is it more
This
exact
right
now?
here is showing
Yeah, there's like 2 cylinders. Yeah, so it costs a lot of money too to buy those. How much you say? About 2,000 something? Usually, yeah, those ones, that looks expensive. Dude, oh, that's good.
6.
I mean, it's a good investment. I know Master Big is expensive.
number 6, number 3 has a problem. Or wire or plugs. Now, since they next to each other, the final is 1, 8, 4, 3, 6.
It might be the pistons.
Oh, see, look at that paper with the
Oh, here.
you see this right here? Oh,
Six.
1, 8, 4, 3, 6, 5, 7, 2.
They're all together.
Right? 3 and 6 right behind each other.
3 and 5.
So it could have a carbon track in the cat. No, but they're right behind each other. See what I'm saying? It's 1, 8, 4, 3, 6.
Distributor cap.
Right? The carbon track could be in the cap too.
Yeah.
Right? It could be so many things, yeah. Right? But I would have to tell the guy, we take a plug out, have to cool it down. Take the cap off and look at it. Take a plug out and look at it and see which one it is. You're probably gonna have 4 stars on 4 too. I like the plug, wires, cap, and one, but it's good to inspect it. But this is what they show me. 1, 8, 4, 3, 6, 5, 7, 2. Right behind each other. Like 3, 6 right behind each other. So you always gotta keep that in mind. Analytical thinking. Alright? You gotta keep behind these 2 behind each other. And here's the thing, that supposedly changed the plugs, the wires, the cap, the rotor, and it's still the same display. What else can make those 2 cylinders fire right next to each other?
We changed everything.
We changed this. We changed it. It could be an intake gasket for this kit between 3 and 6. No, sorry, take that back. Like 3 on one, 3's on this side, 6 on the other side. So it can't be.
But intake gasket could cause the car to leak. It may cause a misfire over a cylinder also. I could have an intake gasket leak on both sides, right over an injector or a cylinder, cause the same kind of misfire. I've seen that happen a couple of times. But usually it'd be kind of odd to have an intake gasket leaking on both sides.
Yeah, but
Please click the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Peace. This is Nate. I'm out. SMOGG-DOGG.